Hello, my name is Nehal Ravindra Chaudhary and today date is 21 September 2021. Today topic is variable. Variable have a specific data type which is store a size and layout for the memory specification. Data variable. If you want to access the variable, then you want to declare the variable before use. For example, the syntax of the variable is data type variable equals to value. Then example of the variable is integer a equals to 5. Now I will explain all type of variable. There are the three types. First one is a local, second one is a instant, and third one is a static variable. So now I am explaining you local variable. Local variable which is used in a block, constructor and method, which is only accessible in block, constructor and method. When block constructor is exists or destroy, then you can't access the local variable outside the method or outside the class. Local variable, it's not accessible for the access modifier. It's not used for the access modifier. Local variable have any default value or it's maybe not. Then local variable it's visible in constructor, method and block. Then second point is a instant variable. Instant variable is declared inside the class but outside the method. Instant variable is visible for the access modifier. It is instant variable access all kind of access the all kind of access modifier, public, private and protected. Then access modifier, then instant variable instant variable have a default value. Then third point is a static variable. Class name is also called as static variable. When class is started, then static variable also start. When class is stopped, then static variable scope is also ended. Then static variable is used inside the class but is not used inside the method, block and constructor. Static variable have only a two access modifier, which is public and private. So these are the variable. Thank you.